Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I still maintain alive, and today I'll be teaching you on how to restore your contacts from your previous device to your new device. But before we proceed, I would like you to click on the notification button, please like our channel, subscribe to our channel, and okay, let's proceed. So before we start, ensure you have contact app. You download it from Play Store on your mobile device. So once you do that, then you click on the app. So once you click on it, it will appear in this form, and ensure you've connected it to your Gmail account. So after that, you click on restore contacts. This you click on restore contacts. So now, as you can see current device, and you can see my previous device. So I'll click on this is my previous device. Then you click on restore. So you can see this. So as you can see, it's loading, still loading. 198 contacts to be restored. So still loading, 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 loading. Okay, contacts restored. So that's how you restore your contacts. And to see your contacts here, you click on contacts, contacts. So you click on contacts, and here goes all your contacts. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the notification button to get more of our updates. Thank you once again.